This is an introduction to the user interface, features and navigation of base E12.
On successful login, the user is provided with a menu, depending on the rights and privileges provided by the administrator. The screen is divided in 3 parts: the menu explorer, the work area, and the notification and browser. The 3 areas can be resized or collapsed depending upon the user convenience. The search bar provides an easy and fast navigation to the menu required. Let us navigate to the sales order. A home screen is displayed. Let us maximize the work area. Search options allow you to view records that you wish to view or search. The default options are searching by date. You can enter the from to range or use a drop down to search for a period. Click View Data when done. You are provided with all the sales orders within the date specified. You can sort on any column by clicking on the column header, for example the customer, status of the order. You can further filter the data for a specific value, in our case customers starting with RK. As you can see, you are provided with all sales orders to RK traders. The screen provides an extensive list of header information of the sales order that you can filter. Let us go back and create some personalized search options. I typically look at pending orders every day. My search conditions allow you to create your own search options. Here are 2 that I have already created. Click on Filter to create a new option. Let us give a name to it, say pending order. Now I need to select status of my order as my field. Select equal to as the operator and P as the value for pending orders. I can make this as a permanent filter so that it appears as the 3rd filter on my list or a default filter. The pending order filter now appears on my search condition. Let me check all the pending orders. As you can see, I now can see only the pending sales orders. Let me revert back to see all my orders. There, we have all the orders. The right-click menu is a very versatile tool. In base E12, the menu has 3 sections. The top and bottom section are predefined and the middle section is user configurable. I would like to see the transaction flow for this sales order. The transaction flow opens up in E12 browser window. It provides the entire transaction flow towards the sales order. Here we can see that a dispatch was done, invoice created and a receipt of Rs 4,413 was taken. Further, there was a sales return against the order and a credit note was provided. The transaction flow helps in tracking any transaction till the end. This option is available across most transaction in base E12. Let us have a look at the status of this order. It provides details of inventory allocated, dispatch quantity, date and many other details towards the sales order. What are the taxes associated with this transaction? Oops, this sales order seems to be tax-free. Let us look at another one. There seem to be a few here but not charged to the customer. Base E12 has a provision to add comments to any transaction of the system. Comments are recorded with user, date, and timestamps. This customer has requested for a credit payment term. Let us check if our comments have been recorded. You can attach documents to any transaction and review, or download it later for reference. I would like to upload an image file to this sales order for future reference. This file is now available on a central repository and can be globally accessed by users. I create the same sales order to the customer every week. This is where the copy transaction option helps. I can replicate the same transaction, in this case a sales order, to the same customer with the same items and quantity. It allows me to edit the details. I use this as a template to replicate similar transactions. Let us see how these options look in another transaction, the purchase order. The user has created a number of search conditions to assist him in his work. As you can see, the right-click menu is different for purchase orders. Some home screens may have process button that are used to process a transaction. The confirm button is common across most of the screen. The audit button provides an audit of the changes done on the transaction. E12 has a number of menu options and assist keys to facilitate efficient working of the system. These are located in the top menu bar for a transaction. The Help menu provides help on the transactions and Key Assist. Key Assist is a boon for users who do not like to use the mouse and would prefer to use the keyboard. As you can see, there are a number of shortcut keys available for the user.